Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a key programming, a master key programming for the Lexus GX over there. That's my father-in-law's car. He lost one of his keys and he only has one master key left, so we're going to program this. There is an easy way to program this just using the door and the door lock trick, but I'm going to use Techstream today just because I have Techstream and it's easier, so stay tuned. So what I got here is I've got the original master key. Well, really not the original guts. I actually had this key cut a couple years ago using a like $8 Amazon key. It cost me 50 bucks to get that cut at the dealer. Then my father-in-law lost his other master key, and this is his old shell that broke that I had to replace this guy with. And then this is the new key I bought. So I bought this one on eBay, and it was from a seller that actually cuts the key for you. So you can see it's already been laser cut, and it was only like $29, which is only like $10 more than this key blank where you have to get it cut yourself. That $10 was a good deal considering I paid $50 to get that cut at the dealer. And in order to get that cut, all you have to do is go over here on your car, pop this little cover off right here, which is pretty easy if you have a flathead or something to pop out, but you could probably do it with your fingernails. So once you pop that cover off, you can see that little Torx bit in here. You take that Torx bit out, and out here you just use like a credit card or something so you don't scratch your paint, and this thing just pops right out. And inside there you'll find a 5-digit code, which is your key code, and that's what you need to get it cut by someone that has the machine and knows how to decode the keys. So that's pretty simple to get your key code if you don't have it, which most people end up losing that little tag on their keys when they buy the car new anyways, or if you buy the car used or third hand or fourth hand. The first thing we're going to do on the GX here is plug in the OBD port. So I've got my mini VCI cable for Techstream. Plug it up into there. I'm going to boot up my laptop and then I'll start screen sharing from here. So we'll go ahead and connect to it using Techstream, and as I explained earlier, there is a manual way to both program the Immobilizer and the remote, and I'll post the instructions both down at the bottom here in the description box of the video. Yeah, the programming of the Immobilizer involves a huge pedal dance where you're tapping the accelerator, the brake, doing all kinds of things to juggle around just to get it. The remote programming is pretty straightforward and easy. So now that we're in Techstream, we'll go ahead and use this under the Immobilizer section to do the Immobilizer key first. So we'll go forward on here. So we want to go under Utility, and we want to go to Key Registration. Welcome to the Immobilizer wizard. And we want to go forward on here. So within 120 seconds, we want to remove the master key, put it back in, and turn it to the on position without starting. Next. So now we want to remove this key and then put next. We want to stick the new key in, but we don't want to turn it. We just want to stick it in there without turning it. Failed to register. Let's try this again. This is a good sign that it's taking longer than the previous try. Complete. I'm gonna put the key in and try to start it now. Success, so it works. That's pretty easy. So now we want to program the buttons to lock and unlock the car. So we have to go back to the main menu, and this one is not under Immobilizer. So this one might be under Body. Here we want to go to the Utility. We want to go to Wireless Code Registration. So it wants us to insert, make sure ignition's on for 30 seconds. Driver door open. I want to go to Next. Telling me that I've got one remote I could program. So now I want to press the lock and unlock button simultaneously. Okay, that worked. That's pretty easy. Since I want to erase those other lost remotes for this car, I'm gonna go ahead and just do the code eraser. I'm gonna erase all the codes and then reprogram both of these keys that I have right now in hand. So I have to go through the same process to erase. That's weird. So now I'm gonna go back in and re-register both my keys just to make sure I only have these two registered to the car. Remaining number that can be registered. That's weird. So lock and unlock simultaneously. Alright, so I've got two registered, which is both the keys I have now, and I could have two more, so that's good. I'm done. I want to exit this. That's the main key. Here's a new spare key I just programmed. So victory there. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in for this one. If you guys found this video useful, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and subscribe to catch up on all my DIYs and different things I do to all these cars that I have to work on. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.